Now, it mentions we're going to talk about plant production spraying. We've got something very new, absolutely. Now, the innovation was to develop a system which wasn't destined for a new machine, but was a system that we could assemble on all already existing machines to be able to drastically reduce the consumption of water and plant protection products. Now, we did this work with the University of Turin, and a kit was developed which helps to update the machine, and we have developed the characteristics of a sprayers that are some years old already, but we've given them real spaceship qualities because we have mounted some of the most modern control and regulation systems in the spraying business on kits which are then mounted on existing machines. I think that's very important because, in fact, the fleet of machines is somewhat aged now. We don't always have really spanking new machines. So that's a really interesting innovation. Yes, it's true. In fact, it's calculated that according to IPSE of 2022, the machine fleet currently used in vineyards is 1,400,000, and of which 500 just in Italy, and their machines, which are fairly old, developed some years ago. And the incredible progress that has been made in the last 3-4 years means that it's a real pity, apart from a harm for the environment, to in fact do away with these very old machines when you could in fact bring them back to a very high performance just by updating them. And this kit in fact was developed by the University of Turin together with myself, and the results last year on a Barberadasti consortium was to have a reduction of 73% of the product which was absolutely sprayed. Now, Turin is very important as a university. How did you work with them? We worked really well with them because Turin, the university called me in 2015, immediately after the Milan Expo, where I had spoken at one of the official meetings at the Expo. They were very interested in what I was doing for precision farming. And as of then, we allowed me into their very strong study group, which goes from treatment to mechatronics, right through to wastewater treatment. So it's a university, the Turin University, where there are very many people and teams that are well consolidated. They operate in different sectors, and I'm working very well with the various branches.